Welcome to this tutorial on how to start investing with E-Trade, a leading online brokerage firm. Investing can seem daunting, but with the right guidance, you can begin building wealth and securing your financial future. First, you need to open an E-Trade account, which can be done online or through their mobile app. You will be required to provide personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. This is a standard procedure for all brokerage firms and is used to verify your identity and prevent fraud. Once your account is open, you will need to fund it. You can do this by transferring money from your bank account, mailing a check, or wiring funds. The minimum amount required to open an account varies, but it is generally low, making it accessible to most people. Next, you need to choose your investments. E-Trade offers a wide range of products, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. If you are new to investing, it may be a good idea to start with a diversified portfolio, such as an index fund or a target date retirement fund. These types of investments spread your risk across various asset classes, reducing your exposure to any one particular investment. Now, let's talk about the different types of investment accounts you can open with E-Trade. You can choose from a standard brokerage account, an individual retirement account, or a Roth IRA. Each type of account has its own set of rules and benefits, so it is essential to understand the differences before making a decision. To place a trade, simply log into your E-Trade account, select the investment you want to buy or sell, and enter the number of shares you want to trade. You can also set a price limit, which will only execute the trade if the price reaches that level. It is crucial to have a solid understanding of the fees associated with trading, as they can eat into your returns. Finally, it is essential to have a long-term perspective when investing. The stock market can be volatile, and it is not uncommon for investments to fluctuate in value. However, history has shown that, over time, the market tends to go up, making it a good idea to hold on to your investments for the long haul. In conclusion, starting to invest with E-Trade is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By opening an account, funding it, choosing your investments, and placing trades, you can begin building wealth and securing your financial future. Remember to always do your research, set a budget, and have a long-term perspective to ensure success in the world of investing.